Want to make money online but don't know where to start? The truth is, you don't need a website, experience, or a fancy degree. In this video, I'm going to show you the best freelance jobs you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. And stick around until the end, because I'll share a secret method to double your freelancing income fast. Let's dive in. First up, we have freelance writing. If you can write simple blog posts, social media captions, or product reviews, you can start earning right now. You can easily find clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even through the Medium Partner Program. Don't forget to use free tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly to seriously improve your writing and speed up your delivery time. You could be making anywhere from $30 to $150 per article. This is perfect for students or anyone with basic writing skills. Next, let's talk about graphic design. Now, don't worry, you don't need to be a professional artist for this. Free and easy-to-use tools like Canva and Adobe Express make design super simple. You can create awesome logos, social media posts, and YouTube thumbnails for clients all over the world. The income potential here is great, starting from $20 to $200 per design, and it only gets better as you improve your skills. Third on our list is video editing, with short-form videos blowing up on YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. This skill is in high demand. If you can do simple cuts, add some background music, and throw in some subtitles, you're ready to go. Start with free software like CapCut or level up with Premiere Pro. You can offer your editing services to YouTubers or small brands and earn anywhere from $15 to $300 per project. Number 4 is social media management. If you're already spending time on Instagram or TikTok, this one is a no-brainer for you. So many small businesses need help posting content, replying to messages, and engaging with their audience. The best part, you can charge a monthly retainer, even for part-time work. We're talking $200 to $1,000 per client, per month. Next up, becoming a virtual assistant. This is all about helping busy entrepreneurs with tasks like data entry, managing their emails, or scheduling appointments. No special skill is required here, just consistency and good communication. You can start finding jobs today on Upwork, PeoplePerher, or Freelancer. The pay ranges from $5 to $25 per hour, making it an incredibly easy way to get started. And now for the bonus tip I promised, AI freelancing. This is the future, my friends. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva's AI to create scripts, stunning visuals, or entire social media campaigns for clients. AI makes your work faster and better, which means you can take on more clients and earn more money in less time. So there you have it, the best freelance jobs you can start right now in 2025. You don't need a fancy setup, just your laptop, some free tools, and a bit of effort. All the detailed steps, earning guides, and links to the tools I mentioned are down in the description and the pinned comment, so be sure to check those out after the video. If you found this helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, comment below with your favorite freelancing job, and don't forget to subscribe for more real ways to make money online. Thanks for watching.